It's Abby.
And Adrian.
And today we're going to be making Fruity Pebble Rice Krispy Treats. Let's roll it.
These are your ingredients. First, you want to turn your stove on high. Start by melting 1 stick of butter. You'll need 4 cups of marshmallows. Melt the marshmallows, 4 cups of Fruity Pebbles, butter your pan. Always remember that when you're doing anything with food, to make sure to wash your hands.
Work into it. Elbow grease.
8 out of 10.
8.
7.
7. So me and Sarah both tried the Rice Krispy Treats too, and I rated a 6.
And I rated an 8.
This was the final product.
Thanks for watching!